Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to say that I hope you and your family are safe. It is very important that we stay home, stay safe, and take care of each other. So today we are here to give you a quick walkthrough of the new changes done to code.devtools.tech. Those of you who don't know about this project, it's basically a side project starting during this lockdown as a means, as a platform for the content creators within our tech community to give them a way to share their knowledge, post quick questions, quantify user engagement and grow their personal brand. Simultaneously, for users like us, it's a platform to test our knowledge, to see in what areas how we are performing, and to prepare for interviews. So let's start. So as you can see, people who have already seen it, like this is the home page, and earlier we used to have a top question section, which is now replaced by top explore content section, and it is further divided into two sections now. So the idea here is top questions and top resources. We'll come to resources in a bit. Let's first talk about top questions. So these are the questions where most answered and most viewed on the platform. So and you have questions from like Lakshay and uh, myself, and the functionality is same. So you can view a question here, you can answer and everything, and check out your author's answer. But the whole idea of changes here is were like two major things. One was keeping the cards more minimal now, and more information to the user. So we have question title, author. You can directly copy the link from here to share, and labels of which language it belongs to. And you will see that this theme, this design language is now consistent across the product, so that in technical terms having more better code reusability, and in terms of having a seamless experience for the user across the product. Now, after the top questions, we have top resources. So basically, after having the feedback from different users and talking to different people, the natural step I saw in this project was to have resources. So a resource can be anything from a blog post, a YouTube video, a code snippet, anything. So it is a collection. When I talk about resources here, I mean it's a collection of all those things here, and where people who are coming to for questions can have a one stop where they can see different resources, different items belonging to their domain. Like we have front end, back end, full stack, iOS, and for content creators, this is a means that the traffic coming to the platform will be redirected to their maybe medium articles, to their blog posts, to their YouTube videos, so that this platform act as an amplifier for their content, and reaches the masses. Okay, so this is you can like this is a backend resource. It's an article, talks about MongoDB, how to improve search queries in MongoDB, React hooks. You can view a resource. It takes you to that resource. You can read or whatever you want. You can view more. Same for top questions. You can see top questions if we go to uh, okay, now let's see how we can create a resource and what changes are there in the dashboard. So we go to the login. So this is the login. Earlier we used to have just questions and a feed. So basically feed is where you can see the content posted by all the users. Now it is further divided into your questions and your resources, and feed is divided into questions and resources. So you have questions here, questions posted by all the users, and you have resources which is posted by uh, resources posted by all the users. Similarly, here you have resources posted by you, and questions posted by you, and questions answered by you below that. Now let's take a look at how we can add a resource. So basically, let's add a resource. We can add this one. So the resource title, resource link. Let's keep it lazy suspense as anything medium. Front-end development, resource type is blog article. You can have video, podcast, code snippet. Also in domain, you can have anything from iOS, DevOps, UX, product management, data structures, database. So for currently front-end, so we have React hooks, UI. Let's see, use it from before. Lazy suspense. Let's save it for. We can save it for draft as of now, which we can further edit. Let's publish it as of now. So it's published. If we go to you can use these links to share it on any social media platform you like. If you go to resources, your resources, you have that quick guide to code splitting here. You can copy the link, view, or you can edit. uh, Similarly, if you go to the feed now, since we have published it, so we have that resource here now. uh, like in questions we have reporting here, also we have particular reporting for resource, that how many times it is viewed, and further reporting will be part of the next iteration. As of now, you can only see the total number of views. Like in questions, you have reporting, detailed reporting, like total views and number of options for like different questions. You have different like 656 views for 244 answers so far, 151 incorrect answers. So different 248 views for this particular question. So all this traffic, all those people like 656 people seeing this question will be redirected to your resources, as they can explore more and stumble upon your resource from here. Because uh, now uh, now one more thing, the other changes came to the, if you go to resource section, now you have author information. If you go to author, you now have a author profile divided into questions and resources. So all the questions posted by that author, all the resources posted by that author, a user profile will be improved upon. I'm thinking of a lot of new features to this, but that will come in next iterations. So now, as you can see, the tabbed design and the layout for cards is now uniform across the platform, the profile section. If you know come to this, you make account to the platform. So the first thing, I'll always suggest you to complete your profile, set a username, add your social media links, update your profile, and go add a resource, or maybe go add a question. You can have different type of questions, languages you had, subjective questions, or for remarks and whatnot. So basically that's it. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps somebody out there. If you feel it helps you or it adds value, then do share, do post content here. And for content creators, the platform is a means. All the traffic to the platform will be redirected to your particular resources. This is completely non commercial. So thank you. Thank you so